Good morning students, this is Mahendra, lecturer in mathematics. Today we are going to discuss one more questions and answers. Let us discuss the questions. Okay, find the value of determinant of 1, 2, minus 3, 3, 4, 1, 1, minus 1, 6. Okay, we have to find out the determinant value of a matrix of order 3 by 3. Okay, this is a delta. Delta is equal to determinant of 1, 2, minus 3, 3, 4, 1, 1, minus 1, 6. Okay, we have to find out the value of determinant. Okay, first one into minor of 1, that is deleting row and column. Okay, we get determinant of 4, 1, minus 1, 6. Next, minus 2 into minor of cofactor of 2, that is deleting row and column, that is 3, 1, 1, 6, plus minus 3 into cofactor of minus 3, that is deleting row and column, that is 3, 4, 1, minus 1. Okay, now determinant of ABCD is equal to AD minus BC, that is 1 into 24. Okay, 4 6 are 24, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus into minus plus. Okay, now minus 2 into, okay, 3 6 are 18, minus 1 1 is 1, plus into minus is minus 3. Okay, next 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Next 4 into 1 is 4. AD minus BC. Okay, determinant of ABCD is AD minus BC. Here, okay, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 4 into 1 is 4. Okay, minus 4. Okay, by simplification, 24 plus 1, 25. 1 into 25 is 25. 18 minus 1, that is 17. 17 2 is 34. Minus 34. Minus 3, minus 4. Minus 7. Minus 7 into minus 3, that is 21. By simplification, we get 46 minus 34 is equal to 12. Okay, therefore, determinant value delta is equal to 12. This is the required solution. Next, discuss another question. In any triangle ABC, A is equal to B, A is equal to 1, B is equal to, C is equal to root 3. Find the value of angle A. Okay, find the value of angle A. Okay, in any triangle ABC, this is the side of A, side B, side C. We have to find out the value of angle A. Okay, find out the angle A by using cosine rule. Okay, cosine rule is cos A is equal to B square plus A square minus A square divided by 2BC. Here the given values are A is equal to 1, B is equal to, C is equal to root 3. Substitute in this formula. We get cos A is equal to 2 square plus root 3 whole square minus 1 square divided by 2 into root 3. Okay, 2 square is 4, root 3 whole square is 3, 1 whole square is 1, 2 2 is 4, 4 into root 3. Okay, 4 plus 3 7, 7 minus 1 is 6 divided by 4 into root 3. Okay, 2 2 0, 2 3 0, 3 divided by 2 into root 3. Okay, 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Okay, root 3 into root 3 divided by 2 into root 3. By cancellation of root 3 value, we get root 3 by 2. Cos A is equal to root 3 by 2, then cos A is equal to cos 30 degrees. Since cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. By cancellation of cos, we get A is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore, the angle of A is 30 degrees. Okay, next discuss another problem. Okay, find the value of logarithm of 256 between find the value of logarithm of 256 okay, to the base 4. Okay, logarithm of 256 to the base 4 is equal to logarithm of 256 can be written as 4 to the power of 4 to the base 4. Okay, it is in the form of logarithm of m to the power of n can be written as n into logarithm of m. Okay, this can be written as 4 into logarithm of 4 to the base 4. Since logarithm of base itself is equal to 1, therefore 4 into logarithm of 4 to the base 4 is equal to 1. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Next, write the formula for sin of a plus b and tan of a plus b. Sin of a plus b formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Next one, write the formula for sin hx and cos hx. These two are hyperbolic functions. Sin hx is equal to e power x minus e power minus x by 2. Cos hx is equal to e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2. Next, find the modulus of root 3 plus I. Okay, modulus of root 3 plus I can be written as modulus of root 3 plus I into 1. Modulus of x plus iy is equal to under root of x square plus y square. Can be written as root of root 3 whole square plus 1 square. Root 3 whole square is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, root of 4 is 2. Therefore, modulus of root 3 plus I is equal to 2. Next, write the formula for sin c plus sin d and cos c plus cos c minus cos d. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 into sin of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 into sin of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. Okay, this is the required solutions. Prepare very well. Thank you.